It's a beautiful morning here, and here's our next fun project. This is our crawl space, and it's pretty big, right? When you just put stuff down here. We've been down here before. The pump and filters and stuff are over in that corner. It's kind of hard to get to because they didn't really level this or anything. They just kind of left all the dirt in here. So what we're going to do is, this plastic is down because of a radon, what do you want to call it? Radon removal system. That's what these pipes are right here. They just pull air out from underneath this plastic and they take it up and shoot it outside. That's supposed to remove radon. I don't know about this. So we've pulled up that plastic and we're going to take out a bunch of this dirt. We're going to level this so that it's much more comfortable to walk in, because we've got almost 9 feet of headroom on this side, and we're just going to take a bunch of dirt out here. We're going to level this area right here. This area is bigger than my shop, and of course it's inside. So it's inside the brick wall, so it doesn't get anywhere near as cold or anything like that. And it's actually cool in the summer, so it'll be great for storage, and we'll put shelving up on the walls and be able to store stuff we got around the place. So we're going to take out a bunch of dirt here. We'll take it out with the wagon, take it down to right there. We'll put the skid steer right there, take it out, dump it in the skid steer, and take it away from where. So, you know, another little project. And I hear the skid steer coming. Yep. And move. That'd be nice, though. All right, 2 hours later, we got it knocked down, fairly level, and now we're going to put the plastic back down and put the felt back over the plastic so it's not slippery, and then we'll build shelves all along that wall, and then one day we'll come in here, we'll pull all this plastic up, and we'll dig this out level here so that we can get back to the pumps. That'll be relatively easy. So I'm piddling today. I've been working up there in the crawl space. Got the shelves finished. It's kind of dark to video, so I got to get some light in there. Those are coming today. I get those, and had to put all that. We put sort of a floor down. I had a bunch of leftover felt from the pool, and I was able to, it fit perfect in there over that plastic, which was really slippery. So it's got this house. Somebody convinced this guy that he had a radon problem. I guess radon comes up out of the ground. It's a gas. I don't read much about it, but comes up out of the ground underneath the house, comes up through the house. So it makes people sick, maybe. So what they do is they go down to the basement and they lay plastic all over the ground in the crawl space. And then they take 3-inch PVC pipe, they run it through the plastic a couple of places and seal it. And this plastic is sealed all the way around with foam and caulk. And then they put a pump up in the attic and they pump it up. They suck any gas, I guess, any air, anything that's in that plastic underneath it, they suck it up and put it out in the roof so it doesn't do it. So anyway, I've got to change that a little bit, but we had to take all that plastic down, and when they put it down, they didn't even bother to rake it out or anything, so it was a mess. So we fixed that. We pulled the plastic back, raked it all out, got it smooth, dug it up, leveled it, and then built shelves with my new sawmill. So now I'm piddling and I'm at the fuel tanks. So I want to change that fuel filter right there, and it just broke. I couldn't get it off. That's my gas tank in the front and diesel in the back. So just in case something happens, I like being ready. So I buy diesel and gas in bulk and keep it around. We go through a lot of it anyway. So let's get that filter off. So I got it off. Wasn't easy though. You see that black stuff in there? That's what those filters are for. That's mildew. Grows bacteria in there and just grows stuff in there. So this filter's pretty much had it here. Man, this stuff was on here tight. Oh, look at that. The paper just came off. Look at all that pine pollen in there. Wow. Wow. Let that go a little long. Won't let that happen again. Probably ought to change the diesel one too. So, yeah. All right. Well, we could put the new filter on with the new gaskets. It's probably there's an O-ring somewhere up in here. And this. Take that out, replace that. There's an O-ring right up in here. I'll get that O-ring out and replace that. And then get a new bowl since that one's cracked. Bring it across there. Could try to fix it for 20 bucks. It's not worth it. Just another thing when you have to fix stuff all the time.
Vertical, Dad.
Oh, wow.
Horizontal.
I'm
Horizontal. Flip the video.
But how do you hold it like that without getting your hand on the camera?
Okay, yeah, that's much better. Yeah, that's
Like that?
Yeah, there you go. You're a professional now.
All right, we're professional. That's
Okay, here.
I have to take a shower in the morning.
I know, right? Let me hold it. All right,
Okay.
here we go. We up on the.
Oh, we need a sticky thing.
I know, a selfie stick.
Yeah, why don't we get a selfie
No,
stick?
we're not getting one of those.
Why not?
Ooh, because that's just. We're not that far gone yet. Anyways, we're up on the roof now.
We are on the roof.
Yeah.
What's your first clue?
Up on the ground.
Right? Yeah. So we're on the roof because the panels are pretty dirty, and we haven't cleaned all the leaves from last year. So, and we had a lot of leaves up here, so the leaves have gotten caught up underneath, like you can see them piled up back behind that panel. So I think we're going to have to get a couple of blowers up here and blow all the leaves out, and then that's going to get down to the gutters. So we need to get the leaves out of the gutters, and then we'll bring the pressure washer up and put a wide fan spray on, so it's not pressure, it's just a cleaning, and then just clean these off and kind of clean the roof off a little bit. You don't want to hit the roof too hard. Do you know why?
It'll rub all the what's it called, gravel off?
The sand, yeah, the grit, right, which is how the roofing tiles are made, the shingles are made. So, and then of course that's going to make a mess down there, and so this is one of those jobs that needs where you clean up and then you got to clean up the cleanup.
Yeah, that sounds about right.
But you know, it's not hot yet, and yeah, I think we need to get her done.
Let's get her done.
Get her done. Boy, this is a real pain. You have to get down there and manually take them out between the panels because they won't come out. So, but that's all right. That's the way it is. My little toy blower here I use for the sawmill. Ryan's got the real one over on the other side.
Doesn't make much of a difference.
What do you mean doesn't make much of a difference?
How good the blower is.
Oh.
Leaves just keep getting stuck.
Yeah.
Kind of a pain.
Yeah, I have to do it by hand.
Yeah.
Yep.
Here we are. Pressure washing the solar panel. Look how shiny they are. Woo! Looking good. Don't fall. Little spooky, especially because you like have to shove your foot in there and like shimmy across. Dangerous stuff. You fall, you break a leg. Literally, not figuratively. So we just blew out all the leaves, which took a lot longer than expected and was a lot more strenuous than expected. But here we go. Ah! Oh, great. Thanks, Dad.
Can you see the marks where I had my hand on there?
Oh, I can.
That's oil. I think that's oil from my hands.
That's crazy.
Isn't it? Yeah.
The life of a mechanic.
I'm pretty sure that. I mean, just regular skin oil, not anything, not oil. I haven't put any oil on my hands this morning.
Interesting.
That's just body oil. See, everywhere I was on.
Yeah.
With my hands.
I think it's grease from your knees.
That could be. Except these are clean pants, but that could be.
These are clean pants, he says.
I only put them on this morning.
Oh, that's a really cool like effect. Wow, that's neat. Where's that coming from? Is that from this because he sprayed it with water? Oh, it's because this thing's in the water.
Etched up the camera.
Yeah. It made a really cool effect.
Mm-hmm.